305 AI Shortcut. 5 AI tools quietly replacing things most businesses pay thousands a month for. We're going deep on each one. What it does, who uses it professionally, what it costs, and what it replaces. Let's go. Tool 1. Perplexity AI. If you are still using Google as your primary research tool in 2026, you're working twice as hard as you need to. Perplexity searches the live web, reads the actual sources, and returns a cited answer. No sponsored results. No SEO garbage written to rank rather than inform. The Pro version gives you Claude, GPT-4 and document uploads. Cost: $20 a month. Replaces research assistants, expensive database subscriptions, and most of your time on Google. Tool 2. Claude. Most people tried ChatGPT and stopped. Claude handles long-form, nuanced, strategic writing differently. Feed it your full business document. It rewrites it. Feed it 6 months of emails. It learns your voice. Feed it a competitor's proposal. It builds a better one. Context window large enough to process entire contracts or business plans in one session. Cost: $20 a month. Replaces copywriters, proposal writers, content strategists, and in some cases entire marketing agencies. Tool 3. Make.com. More powerful and cheaper than Zapier. Connects your apps, CRM, email, calendar, spreadsheets, AI tools, and automates workflows that used to require a human doing repetitive tasks. With AI modules built in, you build workflows that reason about data, classify emails, summarize transcripts, core leads from their messages, route requests based on content. Cost: $9 to $29 a month. Replaces a part-time virtual assistant, data entry work, and hours of manual tasks. Tool 4. Descript. If you create audio or video content of any kind, podcasts, YouTube, Reels, training materials, Descript changes your workflow completely. Paste a video in. It transcribes everything. Edit video by editing the text. Delete a word and the audio and video disappear. AI voice cloning fixes mistakes by typing the correction. Duo Sound makes phone audio sound professional. Cost: $12 to $24 a month. Replaces a video editor, audio engineer, and the 4 hours it used to take to edit one episode. Tool 5. The one almost nobody is talking about yet. Cursor. It is a code editor, but that undersells it completely. AI is built into every layer. Describe what you want in plain English and it writes the code. Highlight a bug and it fixes it with an explanation. Paste in a design screenshot and it builds it. Non-technical founders are shipping real products. Business owners with zero coding background are automating entire operations. Cost: $20 a month. Replaces a junior developer at $60,000 to $80,000 a year. Most freelance dev projects. Here is the real point. Each of these 5 tools costs between $9 and $29 a month. 5 tools, under $100 total. Research, writing, automation, content production, software development. That stack would have cost you a full-time employee 12 months ago. The people who figured this out are not smarter than you. They just started. Follow 305 AI Shortcut. New shortcuts every week. Link in bio. The businesses winning right now are not the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones who figured out how to use these tools before their competitors did. The advantage window is real. In 2 years this will be standard practice and the advantage will be gone. Right now it still exists. The people using AI tools at scale are out-competing people who are not, at a fraction of the cost. One thing to be clear about: these tools do not replace your judgment, your relationships, or your strategy. They replace the execution layer. The writing, the designing, the automating, the researching. The thinking still has to be yours. The AI handles the output. You handle the direction. That combination is what makes this powerful. Follow 305 AI Shortcut for the shortcuts that actually move the needle. Every video on this channel is a specific tool, prompt, or workflow you can use the same day you watch it. No theory, no filler, just the shortcut. Link in bio for the full tool list with pricing and links.